Hello, my name is Natalia Pareja. I am student of the material design course, and this activity is interactive materials and language learning. Um, um, I will explain material design tips for face-to-face and virtual environments. Okay, on the left side we can find a design of activity which is based on reading story to students to sharpen their ears to, to the English language. Okay, on the right side we find another tip which is to watch movies in English with vocabulary not very strange to be able to understand them. Um, On the next slide, okay, to the right, we find a useful tip which emphasizes the image that we must show the student to that they can relate then to what is being spoken to them. Then we find the design of very didactic activities for the students such as listening and match. Okay, they are activities that will help the student allow to strengthen their learning. In the next slide, we have security. First of all, if we are not certain teachers of what we are doing, the class will not take place. Then we see that there are thousands of tools which teachers and students and other person can use, and learning is very effective. Um, the speaking. Now we will see useful tips to design activities to practice speaking in virtual and face-to-face on virtual classes or virtual environments. Okay. On the first slide, it is important to be clear about the vocabulary that will be used in the class so that the students know what they are talking about. In speaking, sometimes grammar is necessary. Sometimes we will have to explain some specific things that can only be done with grammar. Okay? To design speaking activities that are truthful, it would be good to start by talking about interesting things to encourage the students to speak. The following advice says that we must speak in English, and if it is true, science we must teach our students that it is in an English class. Therefore, we are going to speak in English. Okay. The conclusions is. As conclusion, we have that Web 2.0 tools would be very helpful when learning a language. The design materials will always serve again and again, since they will always be therefore a new review. The next slide is references. No more. Thank you very much your attention.